my name is Jacob Blair, and welcome to my Grasshopper plugin 101 series for parametric architecture. We're going to go through some common plugins that are used throughout the architectural industry and learn the tips and tricks to get them working on your own projects. The first plugin we'll investigate is Lunchbox. It's often used to panelize surfaces or create truss structures, and we'll develop a wall script and a hive. The second plugin we'll learn is Parakeet. It's fantastic for generating patterns on surfaces or networks of curves. And we'll also investigate some of the tools it has to align curves and other scripts and have an application outside of just generating patterns. The third plugin we'll experiment with is Kangaroo. It's often used to generate physics simulations within Rhino to generate unique form from catenary surfaces to silk films. It's a great way to generate unique forms and output them as simple meshes in Grasshopper. The last plugins we're going to use are Weaverbird and Mesh Plus. They're often used to smooth complex meshes or create texture on the surfaces. Lastly, we're going to put all these scripts together into one cohesive workflow and show how they can integrate together in really unique ways. Thank you for watching my Grasshopper 101 plugin series, and welcome to Paacademy.